Hey guys, it's me, FluffyCam102 here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be me putting together self-care products that I got. So yeah, they're for like spa days or whatever. I would be putting them into like bins, drawers, and you guys can like follow along or get some ideas or something. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm just going to get the bins ready and just like make sure that I have like the bags of the products like in my view. Alright, so all of the bags are right here with all the products. Just letting you guys know, I'm missing a few on my list, but I actually have some of those at the house, or in my house, that I don't need to buy, so I can just put them in when I need to use them or something. But I won't keep them in there because I need to use them. But, yeah, so I think we should go down the list. Or actually, I think we'll just take everything out of the bags and just figure out where they could go. I don't think it really matters about like the list, really, like in order. Okay, so these are my products that I will be using for the self-care stuff. I do have some coming on the way actually today from Amazon, so I will just figure those out later. It's lip balm, makeup remover wipes, and some pens. So yeah, these are all the products. I will just explain what the products are as I put them into like their bins and stuff, as I organize them. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I have them all set up and organized and ready to go. So let's just put them in the bins and put them away. I also forgot to mention that my mom got candles, mini candles, a big candle. It is hazelnut cream scented, and 2 little candle holders, and an LED light candle. So this is part of the self-care stuff. Okay, so yeah, so let's put the stuff away. First, so as you guys just saw in the video, these candles are already organized. So we can just leave those aside and put the lid on top. All right, all done with the first box. Okay, so the second box can be it can be like soaps and lotions. Soaps, lotions, and bath bombs. All like the bath kind of stuff, you know? Okay, so we're actually going to wait a minute for the lotions, and then for now we're just going to put in the bath bombs and just see what fits. Okay, so I just came up with this. I'm going to put these Lysol wipes in the bin, and then I am going to also put the hand sanitizers with it, so it's also like together, you know what I mean? So just in case you guys were curious, all of these hand sanitizers are from Bath & Body Works, and I will give you guys the scent names in case you guys are curious about them. So yeah, they all smell really good though, just letting you know. So here is salted coconut water, twisted peppermint, happy place. I wanted to get like positive ones. Fresh sparkling snow, vanilla bean Noel, and good vibes only. These all smell really good. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we will just organize them now. Okay, so the bath bombs and the hand sanitizers are now organized, and I will just show you guys from a different perspective of what they look like. Okay, so this is what it all looks like. The bath bombs are over here. The wipes are underneath all these hand sanitizers. And yeah, so let's just close it up. Okay, so yeah, let's close it up. All right, second box done. So now we can do our, let me just think of what can go in maybe this box. Okay, so as you guys saw, I'm going to put the lotions like alongside. So what I did was take this small bin and I put it inside, so it's also less storage capacity and stuff. And I'm just going to put the lotions along the side of this small box in this big box. Okay, so now that we have that, we can put any soaps inside the small bin. So let's do that. Oh, by the way, let me just go over. Actually, I'll go over my products when I show you guys the different perspective. We did leave out a hand sanitizer, so let me just put that in the hand sanitizer bin. Okay, good. All right, so we have that. We can then put, oh, can we put our face mask? Oh, that's the timer. Okay, so what I did was take my face masks and I'm going to put them into the small bin and have them kind of be diagonal. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to take these under eye bag strips and nose charcoal strips, and I'm going to just put them alongside the small box and the big box. And next I will take these facial sponges, the dual pack, and put it, I can put it on top of the face masks. And let's just speed this up, and I will just show you guys what I did when I finish. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I finished finally with the self-care stuff. Yeah, wait, hang on one second. So basically, so I told you guys that I do have some orders coming today from Amazon, and they haven't gotten here, obviously, but I will just figure out where they go. I think I have an idea because I know what I ordered, so, you know, put two and two together. So I will now show you guys all of the boxes. I already showed you guys the hand sanitizer box and the candle box. I will now just show this box and this box that I finished. Okay, so in this box, I actually took the small box out of that big box because of space. Yeah. So this is going to be my facial box. So basically this bag has like tweezers and stuff in it and like whatever. And so I have face masks and mud masks and stuff. So I have a few of those, fun. My friend actually got me these too, so I just put them in here because like why not? And I also have these dual pack of facial sponges, 2 EOS lip balms, and under eye bag stuff and charcoal nose stuff. So this is my facial skincare bin. All right, and so in this bin, this big bin, I actually have a lot of stuff, as you can tell. So I have these 2 loofahs, I have shaving cream, I have razors, sorry. I have a bunch of fuzzy socks, a bunch of pairs, nail polish removers, scrunchie, oh, sorry, it's blurry. There we go. Scrunchies, nail polish, and let me actually lift the lid up. And I actually have cotton pads, so yeah. Okay, so in under that stuff, under the lid, I have these 3 lotions from Bath & Body Works. They all smell so good. This one's very fresh. I haven't smelled this one yet, and this one's really good. I have the cucumber and the black raspberry and perfume, as you can see, on my dresser. Wait, why is the label switched around? There we go. Here it is. So, yeah. So yeah, and I also have the black raspberry vanilla shower gel, and I have bubble bath actually, cool, from Bath and Body Works. As you can tell, I love Bath and Body Works, and 2 shower caps in here. So yeah, yeah, that's it actually. So I will just see you guys in the outro. Bye, love you all. See you in the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all when I upload next Friday. Love you all. Mwah. Peace out and have a funny Friday. Bye.